Good afternoon. So this is a short introduction video to the new stats documents for student numbers. In fact, since now all the schools are managed under Swiss, we've decided to produce one unique document for all the schools, trimesters and semester schools. So there it is. So in the first tab, you have a menu tab where you'll have a short description of the different tabs, and you have, well, we created links, so if you want to go directly to a certain tab, you can click on it and it will take you to the forecast tab. Then you can click back to main menu here, and it takes you back to the menu. So this is just, well, to ease up the use and the navigation. So as I said, we have different tabs. The 8 first one are of use for you, and the last ones, which are in gray here, are of no use because those are the tabs where I input the data. So you'll be working mainly with these ones. The first one is the overview tab. This is a tab where you get a general picture of how many students we have in the system, provisional, confirmed, or in-house for past terms or semesters, for all students and for new students. So for example, here I can see that in 2014 Q3 we have 641 students confirmed for the trimester schools, and for S2 we have 1,608 students confirmed for the semester schools. This is exactly what is in the system today in Swiss. And you have the same for new students. So 143 students confirmed, well, new students confirmed for the trimester schools, and 793 new students confirmed for the semester schools. So this overview tab is just to give you a quick idea at, in one glance of where your school is standing in regards to what is in the system. And of course, you have the visibility over the past years, 2013, 2012. Second tab is forecast tab. So the forecast tab is based obviously for the past semesters, terms, on the actual figures, the actual numbers. And for the future terms and semesters, it's based on the retention rate and on the budgeted numbers for new students. For future years like 2016, 2017, where the budgeted numbers for new students haven't been set yet, we use the same numbers as 2015. This here allows you to have some kind of visibility of where your school should be going in terms of student numbers in the next 1, 2, or 3 years, allowing you to plan a bit regarding to capacity, maybe numbers of teachers, etc. This is not exact science because, as I said, it's based on theoretical retention and the budgeted numbers for new students. And retention can change from one term to another, can be a bit better, a bit worse. And then, of course, also sales can overshoot a budget for one term or be under a budget for a certain term. But it gives you a good idea. And then you have more details regarding the term and semesters. So the first tab here, term details. This gives you more precise information in regards to the provisional and confirm per campus and then per level. Term details new is the same as before, but only with the new students. And then term sales target. This is more a document for sales. It allows sales to see out of the new students where they're coming from between Asia and EMEA. So this tab is mostly for Guy and Alain. And then you have exactly the same for semester. So here you have the details of all students provisional confirmed for S2, for example, per school, per level. Same thing for the new students, and same thing for sales targets. So there you go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.